Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll uncover some of the most jaw-dropping and deadly workplace accidents ever caught on camera. Each scene is a hard-hitting wake-up call about why safety rules are not just suggestions, but lifesavers. On a rooftop, a worker tried to pull up a ladder. He didn't notice the deadly power lines above. The instant the ladder brushed against them, a violent electric shock sent him tumbling down. A stark reminder: always scan your surroundings for hidden dangers, especially electricity, before making a move. Never put your hands inside pressing machines, rotating parts, or robots. They can spring to life without warning. Shut them off completely before doing anything, even a quick adjustment. Inside a bustling workshop, a boiling process went horribly wrong when a cylinder valve burst, spewing gas that instantly ignited. One quick-thinking worker dashed to shut off the supply, stopping a small blaze from turning into a deadly inferno. In India, workers were loading heavy floor tiles onto a truck when the vehicle suddenly shifted. A towering stack of tiles crashed down, crushing a worker trapped inside. This disaster shows why no one should ever stand inside an unstable truck during loading operations. Two workers held the edge of a suspended container to guide it. The crane system failed and the container plunged downward. Never touch a suspended load with your hands. Use ropes or taglines instead. A crane's cable snapped while lifting an iron frame, sending it crashing onto a worker standing to close. Heavy loads must never be guided manually. Keep your distance and trust your tools, not your hands. A loaded trolley broke free while reversing, rolling backward toward a building. A worker tried to stop it with his hands, but got pinned between the trolley and the truck. Never try to physically stop a runaway load. Use brakes, wedges, or mechanical safety devices instead. Forklifts at high speed are disasters waiting to happen. Their forks stick out beyond the driver's clear view. At high speed, the danger doubles. Slow down, stay alert, and keep the area clear. In a steel mill, a rolling machine went out of control, flinging a glowing strand of molten metal like a fiery whip. Workers barely escaped. When dealing with hot rolling, always stay well back and make sure emergency shutoffs actually work. A mobile crane was lifting a load when its hook suddenly snapped, striking a worker on the head. This drives home a crucial rule: never stand under or too close to suspended loads, and always check lifting gear beforehand. A massive steel coil toppled toward a worker who was cleaning nearby. Colleagues yanked him out just in time. Never linger near unsecured heavy loads. Workers moving a huge ladder overlooked the power lines above. When the ladder touched the wires, electricity surged through it and shocked the man holding it. Safety isn't just about where you step. Always look above for hidden threats. A hydraulic tailgate folded automatically during loading, trapping a worker inside. Hydraulic systems must be inspected and maintained. Tiny failures can become deadly. Industrial robots are precise but unforgiving. A worker stepped too close to make an adjustment. Without warning, the robot arm swung and crushed him. Never assume a robot is safe. Lock it out before you go near. A weak ladder can betray you in an instant. Check its condition and weight capacity before climbing or risk a catastrophic fall. Two workers tried to steady a heavy load by hand. As soon as one let go, it toppled onto them. Heavy items should never be guided by hand. Use straps, hooks, and safe distances. While hauling a heavy pipe with a rope, a worker slipped. As he tried to recover, the pipe swung down and struck his head. This is why heavy objects should be moved with mechanical help, not muscle power. A worker grabbed a rope near a cutting machine, not realizing it would pull him straight in. In seconds, he was dragged toward spinning blades. Lesson: keep your hands clear and respect moving machinery. A forklift operator reversed without checking all directions, hitting a pillar and sparking an electrical switch. Luckily, no one was hurt. Always scan your surroundings, especially when reversing. Mirrors and full awareness save lives.